Hi, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to do my black and white vintage video in color. So let's get started. As usual, I have concealer on my eyelid, black eyeliner, and a little bit of gloss and some color correction. All right, I'm gonna put down some eyeliner to get it started. I'm just gonna take this eyeliner and put it all over my eyelid as a base. I didn't set it. Oh well. Well. Okay, so the eyeshadows I'm using is my Profusion Cosmetics, the Eyes on the Prize Trio. I'm gonna take out the neutral eyeshadow palette and once again the bold eyeshadow palette. Now my first color I'm gonna pull out of the Profusion Cosmetics Kaleidoscope palette. And the shade I'm taking is Beat. I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. I'm gonna put that on top of the yellow eyeliner. If I had a orange eye pencil, I would have put that down first. And do the same with the other eye. And to pack it, I'm going to take some setting spray and layer it. I'm just building up that color. Honeys, take it up a little bit higher. Now taking this eyeshadow, this is MAC Rule, one of my favorites for color correction. I put that on top of it and see how the two react. I'm gonna put in a crease color. I'm gonna take Empire for my crease color. I know I used it for my Christmas video, but we need to build some definition. Now taking Fuego, and also I'm going to put that in the crease, right above the crease actually, because I don't want as much red as I do orange. Now I'm gonna take Sketch from MAC and also put that in my crease. I'm gonna blend this after, cleaning up a little bit of that. Now taking this multi-use pencil and putting it above the crease under the eyebrow. Now I'm taking, it says highlight, but I'm going to take this and put that on the eye pencil. Now the other eye. That's enough for the top. I'm going to come back and clean it up later. I'm going to go ahead and take this yellow neon gel eyeliner and put it on my waterline on the bottom as a base for my under eye. Now taking Buttercup and Formation, and we'll put that on my under eye. And I may dip into this bold eyeshadow palette and take this color, that yellow. So first I'm going to take the yellow from the bold eye palette and put it over the gel eyeliner and just tapping it on there. Now I'm going to take Buttercup and then Formation on top but underneath. This is Buttercup I'm putting on, and then now I'm going to put Formation on top of it and underneath. I'm going to clean up the edges and underneath my eye a little using a makeup wipe. Looks a little crazy. Oh boy, does it. Alright, now I'm going to put a shine on the inside of my eye using White Frost from MAC, which I've hit pan on. I'm just pulling that through on the inner corners to kind of bring it all together. And I'm going to come back to the eyes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do my foundation using Fit Me. Okay, now taking a damp beauty blender and we'll blend in my foundation. And I added my Studio Fix to set my face off camera. Okay, now I'm gonna put some contour on. And for that, I'm gonna dig into my Kaleidoscope palette. And I'm gonna take Russet down here and Tarte. This is Tarte. Right here, I'm gonna go in with Russet first and see how I like it. Well, now I gotta put a little bit on the other side. Shaping my face the way that I like. As usual, you could shape your face the way that you like, okay? Okay. So I'm tapping between both of them. Now I'm just trying to diffuse some of that. I usually don't do too much contouring off forehead, but because of this hairstyle, I'm putting it a little bit up there. Okay, I think that's good for now. I could come back and blend out a little bit better after I do my blush. Just gonna go in with Margin as my blush. This is my camera getting hot. Taking MAC's Mineralize Skinfinish as my highlight, and the color is Gilded Peach. And I'm just gonna go over on top of the blush and on top of my eyebrows as per usual, and on my nose, my chin, a little bit on my jawline. Going heavier than usual with this so that way you guys can maybe see some reflect in the black and white. Taking this Sema Brown Now eye pencil from Wet n Wild, and we'll run it through my eyebrows and then brush out my eyebrows just to fill it in. Now taking a spoolie and we'll pull that through. I'm brushing my eyebrows going up. Oops. I don't want to drag it too far down because it'll mess with the top of my eye color. And you can set that in place if you want. I'm gonna skip on that. Okay, she's looking good. I like it. I'm not gonna do too much blending because That's not what I'm going for. I want it to be kind of cakey and in your face this round. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this. I'm just gonna take this jumbo eye pencil and highlight where I want and go over it with some highlight powder before I set. Just tapping it. Now taking Wet n Wild contour palette, and this is Zombie Apocalypse. I'm using the white side to highlight on top of that pencil. Blending that. I'm gonna use my finger to blend that highlight instead of the brush because it works better. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and set this and then work on lips. All right, so for lips, I'm gonna use Strip Down by MAC. Also Brick. Going in with Strip Down first and then I'll use Brick. I'm kind of using the Strip Down as contour. Oops. Okay, so I went ahead and I also added Sema Brown Nail to increase the contour on my lips, and then I went in and feather my lip pencil. Now taking MAC's, it's like a red orange. I have no clue what it's called at this moment, but if I find it, I'll put it in the description. Now using the brush to try to perfect it. Might add some in later as well, just a touch up. Now I'm going to finish the eyes. I'm gonna use this MAC Paint Pot, and I'm not sure what the color's called because the sticker is gone. I'm gonna use that as some liner and then back it up with some black eyeliner. Has a sort of reddish hue, making them pretty big so it's nice and obvious. I'm gonna finish it up with some black liner off camera. Now taking Lash Paradise in Sky High for my mascara for my top lashes. And I also went in and curled my eyelashes before. And now for my bottom lashes, I'm taking Volume Pink Mascara from Revolution London. That's what it says on the tube. This is pretty. Oh man, I just put on the top. That's not good. All right, let me go fix that real fast because that's gonna drive me crazy. And I want it real spidery looking. Now the other eye. Now I mentioned in my previous video that I have like a scar on my left eye under my brow and then on top of my brow. So if you see any patchiness, you can blame that. Or I can blame that on there. Oh, it just went in my hair. What do I do for this? You know what? No, I'm not gonna do it. How do you fix this? This is what you call improvising. If you ever want to touch up some grays, maybe use your mascara. I think I just solved some issues for some people. All right. One more thing that I want to do. You guys know that I love my glitter. Taking this glitter here. It's from Hard Candy and it's called Poppin' Pigments. I'm gonna put that over my eyebrows and wherever else I think would look good. So I'm just gonna dab that on top of my hand and then speckle it on. I think I also want to take this glitter right here. It's called Captivating, and put it somewhere around my eyes, but not in my eye. Of course, I'm gonna put a disclaimer for that. Yeah, I'm gonna take it around on top so that way it doesn't reflect onto my eyebrow. Just taking an angle brush and placing it, making that nice and chunky. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take a little bit of white frost and put it on the outer corners of my eyes. And I added a beauty mark with Sema Brown Now with this eye pencil. So this is the finished look. I have the victory rolls that I did as best as I can. My hair is really long, so it was kind of hard to do the victory rolls. I don't even know if you guys can really see the bottom here. So this is the look with blue eyes, and I have a discussion topic for you guys. Do you prefer the sultry allure of a smoky eye or the timeless charm of a bold red lip when channeling vintage vibes? Comment below and let me know. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what you thought of the look, and if you had fun watching this as much as I did creating it. So give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe using your pinky, your pointer, or your thumb and show me some love. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Yeah, it's cute. Facts. She's up there. She's really up there. What the heck is this? All right.